Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna show you what I've been doing to keep my waistline small and how I've been keeping track of my body fat and keeping those pounds off. So today I'm sharing this video with you guys because I've been using a body fat scale which came in the mail, and I've been using it and I'm like ecstatic about, and I love it. So I want to share it with you guys because I think everyone should have a smart scale, and this is going to help you track your body composition. It's going to help you track that stubborn body fat that you want to get rid of, because I know you do, because I want to keep track and I want to make sure that I lose it and I get a nice six-pack and keep my pounds off, right? So this is going to help you at home to keep track of all the important information that you need to have in order to meet your fitness goals. So I'm going to show you this amazing smart scale that tracks your body fat and all these other cool metrics. So I'm going to show you the cool features and why, and I'm going to share why I like it. So this is the scale from INEVIFIT, and it's the Eros Love Your Body, and it's a smart body fat scale, guys, and it's one of the best ones out of the market. So I'm super excited because it has all these body compositions that I can track. So it has all of these body composition, which is super cool, like your body mass, your body fat. So I love it. I'm going to show you all of this. I'm going to show you how it works. You can link it through your app, and through the app, which you scan on your phone and you download it, and it tells you everything. Is super cool. I'm going to show you. So I'm going to open the box for you guys. I'm so excited to have this at home, because now I can track my body fat and everything that I need in order to reach my fitness goals. And before, like, I needed to go to the gym and ask my trainer, hey, can you measure my body fat? So not anymore. So and I love it because it comes in black and in white. So nice. Look at how pretty this is. I'm gonna take this off. This is for the app, so you can get all the information. So it's so nice, guys. So pretty. And it comes with batteries, which is pretty cool. I didn't have to go out and get batteries, so it came with batteries. I love that. So yeah, it's nice. This design is sleek. I love the design. I think it's great. It's really like high tech. It looks pretty cool. Really sleek also. So I love the design of it. It's so cool. It also comes with a 5-year warranty, which is great. So now let's go try this out. I'm going to show you the cool features that this body fat scale has. As I mentioned, guys, in order for the scale to function properly and to get all the results, we have to download the INEVIFIT app, which is the Eros Scale app. So we're going to go into the Play Store. Since I have an Android, it's also available for iOS. So let's go to my Play Store, and we're going to download the Eros Scale. Here it is. So I have it already installed, so if you didn't have it installed, just go install and then open. So we're going to go through the prompts, and I'm going to set it up right now with you guys. So we're going to choose the weight unit, and I'm going to choose pounds, and then we're going to choose height unit. We're going to do inches, and then we're going to enter all my information. Okay, so we are now on the So I've set up my account, guys, and the process was very easy, which I liked. It's user friendly, and it's very self-explanatory. So we're on the first page of the application, okay, and it has all of the body compositions. As you can see, it gives you all the stats. All right, so keep in mind, guys, I've been using the scale for a few days now, okay. So I started March 28th, and you can see the date and time. So right now I'm at 13.4 pounds. So the cool features is one, that it's easy to navigate, okay, and you have everything that you need on the first page of the application. Okay, the second thing that I like is that you can set the weight goal, which I'm gonna go to it now. So you can set your weight goal and your body fat goal. So this is how I'm tracking my weight and my body fat. Okay, so I can move this around and set my desired weight to be, or my goal to be set at. Okay, so I'm selecting 104, as well as for my body fat. So right now my body fat, I believe, is at 17, but I started at 18. So my ideal body fat is 15. And at the top here, you can see that the bar shows you where you need to be in. You need to be in the green section. We don't want to be in the red. So I'm still in the good zone. Okay, so I'm gonna hit confirm. All right, so you can enter your desired weight or your goal weight, and then also my body fat weight. Okay, and if I click that, it'll go back to the same screen. Okay, so once you start using the scale, it'll show if you've dropped weight, your BMI, your body fat. So as you can see, my stats, I've already lost, okay, which is great. So I'm also going to show you that these honeycombs have all the body compositions, and you can select them. Okay, so I'm going to go to weight, and this other dialog box opens up. So it's showing my current weight, and it also shows me where I'm at. So if I'm underweight, if I'm normal, overweight, or I'm obese. So I'm normal, so this is good. We always want to be in the green section. Okay, so I'm in the safe zone. All right, so going back to the body fat. Okay, so my body fat right now is at 17.8 body percent, and I'm in the athletes, but my goal is 15. So essentially I'm gonna be like right in between athlete and essential fat. Why I want to do that is because I want to get lean, and I want to show more definition. So if I go through all of the honeycombs, you will see additional information, and that's pretty cool because it's simple, it's self-explanatory, it's easy to use. Okay, they didn't make this application complicated. It's very easy, and we like easy. Okay, we like for an app and for body scale to be, easy. It's already, hard that we're trying to lose weight and be in shape and, be healthy. So I like that, it gives you the stats and how it shows you where you need to be at, so you can be healthy. Okay, I do want to state that before you start, diet or exercise regimen, or wants to lose weight, you consult with your nutritionist or your doctor, or if you have a trainer. So why I like this Eros body scale is because I can track my my weight and my body fat, and it keeps me on track, as well as these other stats that are important, and that I could get to have this at home. So I don't have to call my trainer or go to the gym and try to get all of these stats done for me. I can have them at home. Okay, so so it shows all of these cool stats. So I really like that. Okay, so another cool thing is that you can track how you are doing weekly, monthly, yearly, and you could track like
your IBM, your body fat, your fat-free body weight, your all of these other stats, right? Another cool thing is that you can also share your stats on Facebook and Instagram, okay, if you wanted to. So another feature that I like is that you can add other members. So if you see here on this, I added my mom. So I'm tracking her fitness goals as well. So it's nice that, you know, you can track other people's fitness goals. So this is the app and this is the interface. It's really nice. It's simple to use, and it gives you all the information that you need within that first page of the application. So now let's go to the video, guys.
So the INEVIFIT body scale is pretty cool, right? It has all these really cool features that you can see, you know, directly on your phone when you're weighing yourself every morning, because that's what I've been doing. You know, I get up in the morning and I weigh myself. I'm trying to do this, you know, weekly, so I can see how I've improved. Actually, you know, 3 days ago, I didn't weigh myself, so I weighed myself today, and I had dropped pounds and body fat. So I was like, what? This is crazy. So if I didn't have this scale, I wouldn't even know that I'm losing weight, or that I'm losing fat, or that I'm not retaining that, you know, I'm getting rid of the body weight or the water weight. And you know, it's cool that I could just have this at home instead of, you know, calling my trainer and saying, hey, you know, can you measure me? Can you measure my body fat? I want to see where I'm at. Can we do like every month? You know, people don't have that access, especially right now that we can't go to the gym and we gotta stay home. So having this at home is such a great benefit right now, because it's gonna keep me focused. It's going to keep me going and motivated that, okay, this is my target goal for you know, the month, or overall, and I can track myself, and I can, you know, put myself accountable that I have to, you know, get this done, that I want to meet these goals. And by having this body fat scale, it's pretty cool, you know, that I get to have this at home. So I hope this was helpful. I hope that this is going to motivate you to continue your fitness goals and to be safe, healthy, which is super important right now. You know, our health is everything. If we don't have health, we don't have nothing, guys. So I'm going to put the link of this product and other products that are available right now that I think you guys will benefit from, since we are at home and we're, you know, trying to stay active. I'm gonna link those down below, so if you guys want to check them out, make sure that you do. And let me know, guys, what other fitness stuff do you want me to share with you guys? Do you want me to make fitness videos for like at home? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share this out with your friends,